not again. Girl, what have you got? Is it Willow's? Okay, I'm coming. Oh, what is that? Oh my gosh. It's alive. Oh, little one. Oh. It's just oh my gosh.
Are you kidding me right now? He's just joining in. Willow, you're okay with this? This is unbelievable.
Look at this little family. Everyone's so happy together. Clover, that's not for you, sweetie. There you go, your bowl. I know you want to be a cat so bad. 6 months later, and she's still her baby. Oh, you're such a good mom. Clover looks so happy.